Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. My name is Siddhi and I'm a cabin crew. So in today's video I'm going to discuss with you all how to make a resume. It is very important to make an impressive resume on the day of your interview, because on the basis of your resume interviewer is going to call you for the interview. Guys, remember, आपके पहुंचने से पहले आपका resume interviewer तक पहुंच जाता है when you have to submit your resume. So it is very important that you make a very impressive resume, that by just looking at your resume interviewer gets 50% impressed, तो बाकी आपका काम थोड़ा सा easy हो जाएगा question answers के time पे. So yes guys, without any further ado, let's just get began with the video. नंबर वन थिंग इज इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो कि आपका रेज्यूमे कितना लेंथ का होना चाहिए, लाइक हाउ बिग इट शुड बी. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर गाइज दैट योर रेज्यूमे शुड नॉट क्रॉस द लिमिट ऑफ 1 or 1.5 page. For my advice, it is important to make your resume of 1 page only, but if you have some other things to mention as well, like experienced people must have a little bit extra things, so you can make your resume for 1.5 page but not more than that, because the interviewer has so many resumes to read and they are literally not going to waste more than 5 minutes on your resume. In fact, 5 minutes is also more, but at least 5 minutes and not more than that. सो मेक श्योर आप रेज्यूमे में जो इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स है सिर्फ वही मेंशन करो, और बाकी सब आप उनको फेस टू फेस जाके जब वो क्वेश्चंस पूछे तब बोलो. Guys, next thing is it is very important to be very careful while you make resume, because whatever you will write on your resume, on the basis of that the interviewer is going to ask you questions. If you have not seen question answer video, link over here, go and watch it out. But whatever you will write in on your resume, be it a work experience, be it about yourself or whatever, on the basis of that interviewer is going to ask you questions. So be ready to give the answer if you have written something about your hobby or anything. So yes, so next step is it is very important to make your resume very impressive, कि आपका 50% से ज़्यादा काम ऑलमोस्ट resume देख के ही हो जाए और इंटरव्यूअर ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस हो जाए, सो आपको क्वेश्चंस वो ज़्यादा ना पूछे. सो येस, एंड द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़, अभी आपको ये जानना है गाइस कि आपको आपके रेज्यूमे में बेसिकली लिखना क्या है. सो इन योर रेज्यूमे यू हैव टू राइट योर फुल नेम, योर क्वालिफिकेशन, योर हॉबीज़, योर work experience, then about yourself little bit, what are your qualities, you can write that as well. Okay. Activities, your phone number, your email address, and all that you have to mention on your resume. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप गाइज, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, मैंने यहाँ पे बेसिकली पॉइंट्स बना लिए है कि आपको मुझे क्या बोलना है, सो दैट आई डोंट मिस आउट ऑन एनी पॉइंट. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज ऑलवेज रिमेंबर गाइज द की पॉइंट्स, लाइक जो भी मैंने की पॉइंट्स बोले हैं गाइज, मेक श्योर टू कवर ऑल द की पॉइंट्स विच एवर आई हैव टोल्ड यू, लाइक आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन, एजुकेशन, सब कुछ आपको अच्छे से क्लियरली मेंशन आउट करना है आपके रेज्यूमे में. Next step guys, next step is it is very important to make a resume in one single font only, and that is Times Roman Arial font, which is very simple wala font. You don't have to make your resume so fancy, it should be simple, neat, clean and on the point. आपकी सारी डिटेल्स होनी चाहिए जो आपकी मेन है. मेक श्योर टू रिमेंबर टू मेक अ रेज्यूमे इन वन सिंगल फॉन्ट. नो नीड टू मेक डिफरेंट फॉन्ट्स वाला रेज्यूमे. एक ही सिंगल फॉन्ट में पूरा रेज्यूमे होना चाहिए. रेज्यूमे शुड बी इन अ वाइट पेपर ओनली. बिकॉज द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन शुड बी ब्लैक एंड वाइट, दैट इज अ वाइट पेपर एंड you have to write with the black color only. Don't use different colors for the headings, for the outlines. ऐसे कुछ भी मत कर देना. In a proper black and white only. Make sure you give a proper heading, like a heading bold, and it should be in a common size in full resume, like your heading, like your qualification, तो उसका heading bold होना चाहिए जिससे दूर से पता चले qualification, and in that inside you have to write your qualification wala thing in a small font, like small size, but the heading should be bold and it should be common, like full same on full resume. Whichever the heading you give should be for same size. I will by the way post a picture picture over here of a resume, like a sample resume. You can refer that as well. Use proper bullets to highlight your points, like what are the points you write. Suppose if you have written your qualities, then what are the qualities you mention inside that, like sub-content. Use a proper bullet to highlight it. Okay, your resume should have your proper email address, because they might email you, and the email address should contain your name and your surname and no any fancy things. बहुत सारे different email बना देते guys, I know, but there is like professional things, so you have your email should contain your name and your surname. Always remember that. Next step is to make sure you do not make any grammatical mistakes or error in the resume. It is very important to write your resume properly. So आप किसी ऐसे के पास resume बनाना, otherwise if you will make, then also make sure that you don't make any grammatical mistakes on your resume. Okay guys, next step is use your proper phone number. आपका original सच्चा वाला phone number डालना. Don't put any false phone numbers over there, because they might call you for the further information or for anything. So you make sure to give a proper phone number. For printout, use thick paper or a watermark paper whenever you go for the resume. Always ask the person to use a very thick paper for the resume. पतला वाला मत use करना, it will not look good. Or there is one paper called watermark paper. You can use that paper as well. Okay guys, get a printout of your resume in water jet printer. This is just to make your resume more good. It is optional, completely optional. अगर आपके आसपास available नहीं है water jet printer, it's okay, but make sure to use a thick paper for the resume so that your resume looks good. And the guys, most important thing I want to say is, do not write on top of the resume biodata जो हम ऊपर एकदम लिखते हैं. Interviewers know that कि ये आपका resume है. You don't have to write on top of that कि ये मेरा resume है, resume, biodata or anything. या फिर नीचे all the best, turn the page, कुछ भी मत लिखना. Okay, this will not look good. So yes guys, this is all the key points which you have to remember while you make your resume. And guys, yes, do not paste any pictures on the resume. आपका खुद का picture भी post मत करना, या फिर कोई भी picture resume पे guys post मत करना. Remember, on the day of your interview, interviewer will tell you over there if they want you to stick your picture on the resume. So yes, but otherwise do not print or paste any picture on the resume. Guys, always remember, heading should be bold and the sub-content should be in a small size, but all the content size should be same and all the headings size should be same. Use a common font which I've said you, and yes, only use black and white color for the resume, no any other colors guys. different colors के resume मत बना के जाना, अलग अलग writing से लिखा, अलग अलग font use किया. No guys, you have to make a very professional resume. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you have liked this video. If you did, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, share with others as well. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on my Instagram to see all the related updates, cabin crew and makeup and everything. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.